right, this is cousin Steve-O from Nebraska Star Beef at the home place, and we're doing a little video to go along with the Into the Fire blog. And that's exactly what we're going to do with these 12-ounce New York strips. We're going to go straight into the fire right now on video, just for you guys. This is a little different method of cooking steaks, but it's a really good one. Seems a little argo maybe, but I promise the steaks that come out of here are going to be fantastic. You guys are going to love them. We've been getting lots of emails asking about different ways to cook steaks, different ideas, stuff like that. So this is one of my favorites. I'm sharing it with you.
Now you want to pick good, clean firewood and let it burn down. So while we're doing that, we're going to move on to seasoning the steaks. And about now, we've got a fire that's pretty well ready to cook on. So as the steaks are cooking, you're going to want to pay attention to them. They will cook quickly using this method. Watch the internal temperature, just like always, and make sure and keep track of things when they look like they're ready to flip. Check them and flip them.
Okay, we are about 3.5, 4 minutes in. And I'm going to flip these guys over. And these go quick cooking them like this. Get a nice sear. And you want to just knock any of the bits off. But that's all there is to it.
Okay, internal temperature never lies. These steaks are ready. And there's still plenty of fire left for s'mores for the kiddos, if they're into that. A couple of the steaks on the plate, finishing temp. That's a little higher than normal. You'll see one of these is to the medium well side. I've got a daughter that likes them a little more cooked. But beautiful steaks.